The pipe is defective. Dig and replace, or RS CityLiner? That is the question. But maybe it is not, due to the many advantages that the RS CityLiner system offers. Immediately after their arrival, the workers start the project. The RS CityLiner process can be installed at the job site very quickly. After TV inspection and cleaning, the prepared defective pipe is ready for the liner reconstruction. The RS CityLiner is very flexible and can be adapted to constantly changing job site conditions and schedules. There are no limitations, such as pre-size or pre-impregnated liners that have to be installed in a certain pipe section within a certain period of time. If required, the lining materials can be delivered and assembled at the job site. Before installing, we exactly re-measure the pipe length and diameter. We then set the liner under vacuum. Avoidance of trapped air equals higher stability and a better quality end product. We then set up the inversion tower. The 100% epoxy rosin mixture that is produced in the static mixer offers an airtight way to deliver the rosin to the liner. Mixing and impregnation at the job site equals no material loss if the arrangements of the job site must be changed at short notice. We then adjust the correct amount of rosin in the liner via the distance or gaps of the calibration rollers. We fix the front end of the liner at the inversion tower. After that, the liner is inverted. The space in the liner resulting from the inversion is filled with water. The necessary installation pressure is provided by a water column that is approximately 5 meters high. The water pressure inverts the impregnated liner, turning it inside out with a calibration roll speed up to 1 meter per minute. The liner is now inverted. We close the end of the liner and provide a rope loop. Now we fix a holding rope at that loop, and depending on the pipe dimension, at least one heating tube. Like before with the calibration rolls, the liner is slowly and evenly inverted at the rope to the target shaft. As soon as the liner has been completely integrated, the onboard impregnation plant of the RS CityLiner system has completed its task. The impregnation plant of the RS CityLiner truck is now ready to be used at the next job site. In order to harden the liner, we heat the process water in an open heating circuit to up to 90 degrees Celsius at a laminate temperature of at least 55 degrees Celsius. This accelerates the chemical hardening reaction time and ensures a properly cured liner. Because we only use 100% epoxy resins, there are no irritating strong chemical odors which can be very offensive. Once the epoxy resin mixture in the liner has properly cured, a new pipe within a pipe without excavation has been installed. There is very low material contraction or shrinkage, thanks to the chemical characteristics of the epoxy resin. We now cut the ends of the liner in the installation manhole and in the receiving manhole. For a thorough post-installation inspection, the new pipe within a pipe is videotaped with a TV camera. Sample pieces of the reconstructed pipe are taken and sent to the testing laboratory for examination to ensure that the required thickness and physical strength are achieved. If necessary, a remote-controlled robot internally opens the side connections that are obstructed by the liner. And if necessary, the newly reinstated side connection can be internally sealed to ensure there are no leaks between the existing pipe and the liner. Disruption of traffic, residents, trade and industry only takes place for a few hours, as opposed to the outdated option of dig and replace. The RS CityLiner Reconstruction System. Efficient, trenchless CIPP pipeline rehabilitation at a low cost. Available for everyone.